Hello everyone, you are watching my channel E for English and you are learning English with Isha Agarwal. In this video, we shall move further and we will study about the activities which happened in the past. Before moving further, I would ask you and request you to please like and subscribe the channel and please share the video with your loved ones. So past activities, the activities which are done in the past. वो एक्टिविटीज़ जो पास्ट में हो चुकी हुई थी, अब होंगी कि नहीं हम नहीं जानते, अब होती हैं या नहीं ये भी हम नहीं जानते, बस हुई थी. They happened once in the past. So once upon a time it happened. These activities are called the past activities, and this tense, the tense that we used in these activities is called simple past tense. तो इसको याद करने के लिए आप रिमेंबर अबाउट योर पास्ट मिस्टेक्स. आप अपनी पास्ट मिस्टेक्स याद करके देखिए. मैंने ये किया, मैंने वो किया, मैंने एक बार उसका बैट तोड़ा था, मैंने उसका एक बार सर फोड़ा था. सो दीज आर द एक्टिविटीज़ दैट यू रिमेंबर फ्रॉम योर पास्ट. तो इस तरीके की एक्टिविटीज़ इसमें आती हैं. आई अब्यूज्ड हर, आई डिसबिलीव्ड हर, आई ब्रोक देयर वास. What is important here is that the verb is used in the second form. ये जो highlighted part है red में, abused, abuse का second form है, disbelieved, disbelieve का second form है, और break का second form broke. So we are using the second forms of the verb. इसका rule हमारे पास बनता है doer प्लस डायरेक्ट हम सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगा देंगे. बीच में कुछ इज, हैज़, डिड, डज कुछ नहीं लगाना है, सिर्फ डूअर प्लस सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. सो डूअर कुड बी आई, यू, वी, दे, ही, शी, रजत, रागिनी, एनीवन. नाउ वन थिंग वेरी easy to learn and it's a benefit here that there is no confusion between singular or plural doer. There is no confusion. We have to use the second form and the second form will remain the same for everyone. So verbs would become like decide will become decided, tell will become told, drive will become drove, and go will become went. I hope you remember the third forms that we were using in has and have in the previous video. Anyway, let's move further and see some sentences. I drove my car that day. I drove my car that day. We are talking about some day in the past and I'm telling you that on that day I drove my car. Whether I still drive or no, I'm not telling anything about this. They gave a watch on her birthday. This is an event in the past. एक event हुआ past में कि उन्होंने उसको घड़ी दी. That's it. ठीक है. Rajat downloaded a movie from YouTube. ये उसकी हैबिट है डाउनलोड करने की या नहीं है, या वो अब करता है कि नहीं, इसके बारे में हम कुछ नहीं कह रहे. बस हमने एक बार का इंसिडेंट बताया. Rajat downloaded a movie from YouTube. She went for a picnic yesterday. He did her work the day before yesterday. So remember that in the past activities, in the simple past tense, work started in the past and ended in the past. It becomes an incident in the past. That's it. इसको हम याद रखेंगे तो हमारे simple past के sentence कभी गलत नहीं होंगे. So in this video I will end here only. In the next video you will learn how to make negative sentences in simple past and how to make questions also. I hope this was clear and I hope you will be able to make sentences in simple past. Thank you.